This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
Showers and thunderstorms continue across parts of West Michigan, and we have the better chance for some more strong to severe storms tonight. Gusty winds and small hail to an extent are going to be our biggest concern, but I think wind is going to be the biggest severe threat, with heavy rain also likely. Another ½ an inch to an inch of rain is possible, and that's on top of what we've already gotten today. Some of us are getting now round 2 of rain, and that comes with some very heavy downpours across Allegan County, and especially now moving into Allegan itself. Down towards Paw Paw, some moderate to heavy rain. Same thing along the 196 corridor towards Lake Michigan. We have some really heavy rain happening right now, and the northern edge of that is stretching now into Ionia County, so just south of 96 is where the heaviest rain is. We're also seeing those heavy downpours across parts of southeastern Kent County as well towards Caledonia. This is all needed rain, but of course definitely puts a little bit of a damper on your Friday evening plans. This little system will zip through over the next several hours, and then I think we're going to get a lull in activity before we have the better chance, especially into the overnight and early morning hours tomorrow, of more strong to severe storms. Marginal risk just north of 96 all across West Michigan continues for the remainder of today and into early tomorrow morning, which is the lowest possible level of severe weather threat. And it means that we have enough energy for a stray severe storm, but it's not likely to be widespread. And I do agree with that. Gusty winds, again, going to be our biggest threat. Hail, a smaller secondary threat, and then flooding. More going to be ponding on the roadways for areas that do tend to flood easily. Since with this rain, it's really heavy. We have a lot of moisture in the air, and that leads to high rain rates. We could still pick up maybe another ½ to 3/4 of an inch of rain south of 96. North of 96, it's a little bit more sporadic. That's where it's a little cooler and we have less chances for thunderstorms, but still around 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of rain is possible. Right now in South Haven, all of that heavy rain reducing visibility on the horizon. We had a red flag today, dangerous swimming concerns, and that will improve a little bit tomorrow, but it's just because we've been dealing with all of this heavy rain on and off today. Temperatures range from the upper 60s to the low 70s, and the cloud cover and the rain that we have right now is helping us out in some respect and kind of reducing that severe weather threat over the next several hours. As this batch of rain and storms moves away, we'll probably not see much more until at least midnight. Models are indicating that this line of storms sagging in from Wisconsin, some models have it stronger than others. This one has it a little bit on the weaker side, but as this pushes through between midnight and around 6 a.m. there's the chance for some additional strong storm activity. I think a lot of this is going to be to our south, but overnight it's just important to make sure that you do have a plan to have a safe place to go just in case there is a warning issued. For tomorrow, I don't think we're going to have the best swimming day, but wave heights will be in the vicinity of around 1 to 3 feet. But the rest of the weekend, once we kick this system out, does actually look nice. It's just going to be super humid, and that continues through next week.